Hello guys, welcome to Drawing for Kids. Enjoy watching and hopefully entertained. Today we will draw ice cream that is so fresh and delicious. Let's go! Who wants to draw this ice cream, friends?
It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Wow, amazing! It's time for us to thicken the ice cream picture. Let it look better and clearer. Let's go!
Turned it up, and so the teacher turned it up, but still it lingered near, and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does
Very nice.
Mary so?
It's time to color pictures of ice cream, guys.
Why Mary
Blue.
loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Deep green.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a
Red.
little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere
Dark
that
gray.
Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Red.
It followed
Yellow.
her to school one day, school one day, school one day.
Orange.
Followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and
Deep
play,
green.
laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it
Blue.
out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered
Purple.
near, and waited patiently about, and
Pink.
waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Pastel peach.
Why does the
Stamp ice
Mary
cream.
so,
Very delicious.
so,
Thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
children